In this video, I'm going to walk through how you can use NIGHTCAFE for free to generate t-shirt designs. So in this case here on NIGHTCAFE, I'm going to go up here to the create button at the top. Now, if you are brand new to NIGHTCAFE, you will need to earn credits over time. And every day you can log in and design something for free. When you do that, get credits. So over time, you can amass quite a lot of credits. I've never paid a penny to use NIGHTCAFE, and I have over 4,000 credits currently sitting here because every day I go in and I generate an image for free. So I'm going to click on this create button here at the top. Now at the very top, you're going to have a create button, image, video, and then more. You're going to leave it on image, and then you're going to either click on or off the advanced mode. I leave it on just because I like to have the maximum number of settings, but you don't have to do that. And then here, I'm going to select my AI models. This is my engine that I've got, and I've selected browse all models. And that's going to bring me to this page here at the top. Now you've got a filter here, and I've got pro models, view all, and default. So here with the pro models, you can go to freebies available, which are my credits that I've earned over time. You can go to all, or you can go to non-pro models, and that will give you free stuff. So if you're new and you don't have a lot of credits to play with, go to non-pro models, and these are models that you can use that are free. You just get credits every day. So for example, I'm going to go here to this Atomics XL V4 Lightning model right here. I'm going to click on it, and that's going to be my model. And you can see there's a little blue outline now on it. That's what I'm going to be using. Now it will give me the number of credits down at the bottom. If you change that, it may change the cost down below. So for example, here I changed it to Mysterious XL V4. You can see the cost is 2 little money signs instead of 1. And now it's 1 credit to create my image instead of a half of a credit. You can just flip around. That's one of the fun things about NIGHTCAFE. You can try different things. I'm just going to pick this Juggernaut Flux Lightning, just a random one. And then I'm going to pick 1 image for half a credit. My runtime, meaning the amount of brain power it's going to spend on it, I'm also going to leave it as short. And then I can do an aspect ratio here as well. I'm going to leave it at square. And now for my actual prompt, I'm going to type in here what I would like the AI to create. So this is where you can get really creative. And I'm just going to type in cartoon unicorn flying, and then I'll click create. Okay, great. And I've got this now with the background, and I want to remove the background. How do I do that? Well, down here at the bottom, you're going to see some options. And depending on your zoom on your web browser, like if I zoom in, you'll see there's not a lot there at the bottom. You want to zoom out, and you can see all the different options now down at the bottom. So I'm going to click on this remove background button, and it's free to remove the background. Here we can see that's now my image that I'm going to use in my t-shirt design. If you don't like that, or if you'd like to use the background, see down at the bottom there's 2 images. You can go back to the original image. So don't be afraid to remove the background. It's completely free, and there's no risk because you still have the original image. So here's the one that I'm going to use. I'm going to click this little download button right here, and that's going to give me my t-shirt PNG file that I'm going to use. Next up, I'm going to create the actual t-shirt image, and here I'm using Photopea.com, which is a free Photoshop clone. I'm going to go here to File, I'm going to go to New, and then I'm going to create a new template. So here I can select the name of the template. I can call it t-shirt, for example. And then for my width, I'm going to make a Merch by Amazon template. So I'm going to go 4,500 pixels wide by 5,400 pixels tall. I'm going to make it 300 pixels, and then my background is going to be transparent. From here, I'm going to click create, and then there is my t-shirt template. From here, I can click file, and I'm going to click open in place, and then I've selected my picture from my hard drive. I can leave it right here on the template. I can make it larger. You can drag it around, can make it a bit larger there, just like that. And the nice thing about Photopea is that you can create text designs too. So I'm going to click the little text button here on the left-hand side. I'm going to click type tool, and then down below I can type in text. Now it's really, really tiny, so you want to select all, and you want to make the text a lot bigger. Here I'm making it 500. It would obviously help if I spelt it correctly. And then from here you can select your font. So that's up on the left-hand side, and I can look through and I can see the different previews of fonts. So I'm going to select that. Once you've got your text, you can also make it larger just by simply dragging it as well. So this is a very simple design. Obviously, you could spend more time and energy making more stuff. So here, completely for free, I've made a graphic image and a text design that I could now upload to Merch by Amazon, for example. To export this as a PNG file, which has a transparent background, you want to go up here to File, Export As, and then you can export as a PNG file right there. Save it to your hard drive, and then you can upload to Merch by Amazon or whatever print-on-demand site you use. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Photopea is free. NIGHTCAFE is free. Lots of free tools where you can have some fun creating and making some passive income. Here's another video where you can have some fun creating some free stuff.